Hello, my dear student. Today I'll discuss the another PI calculation from higher order differential equation with constant coefficient. So in my last lecture I had discussed about the exponential part as well as algebraic. Okay, so you have to go through it. Now we are going to discuss about the PI, where you can see on the right side part is given in terms of exponential function as well as sine cosine. Okay, so here I have considered two exact question. So today I'll discuss these two problem one by one. Okay, so those who are new to this lecture or to this video, so this is my request to all of you. Please do subscribe my channel, and if you see that you are getting some benefit from here, please share this information to other friend also. Okay, ultimate motto, your benefit. Now I'm considering first question I'll solve, and second question gradually I'll solve. Okay, now now I'm considering first question. Okay, now please check. So already I have discussed, already have informed you. I'll explain only PI part because CA part is same. On the right side part, whatever the expression you have, this is same process. Already you know that. Now try to understand PI of this particular problem. So here you have d square minus 6d plus 13 e to the power 3x sine 4x. Okay, so if you have a combination of exponential and sine and cosine, first you have to remove. So first you have to remove, not remove word is suitable. First you have to work on exponential, then you have to work on sine and cosine, whatever you can see. So if you want to work on exponential part, suppose you have e to the power ax. So when you are working on it, so all d should be replaced by d plus a. Now how to use it? Now try to understand. E to the power x, e to the power 3x should be on the left side of it. Clear? Now you replace all d by d plus 3. Clear? Why it is 3? Because a is equals to 3. Okay. So now you write down d plus 3 whole square minus 6d plus 3 plus 13 sine of 4x. Is it clear to all of you? Please check. Is it clear? It's very simple. First you have to work on exponential function. First you have to transform this work exponential function to this place. Then all d should be replaced by d plus a. What is a here? A is equals to 3. So that's why you should replace all d by d plus. D should be replaced by d plus 3. So I already have mentioned it. Now you write down e to the power 3x is here. Now expand it. D square plus 6d plus 9 minus 6d minus 18 plus 13 sine of, please check, sine of 4x. Please check. Okay, so these two are cancelled. Ultimately what is coming? E to the power 3x 1 by d square. Please add all together. How much is coming? Calculate. 9 plus 23 13, that is 22, minus 4 minus 18, that is coming plus 4. Please check. Now it is coming sine f. Again I am writing sine 4x. Clear? So when you are replacing the value, you can write like this also, no problem. Clear? So now your main task to work on this sine 4x. Now, anyone, any doubt about this question? Clear? Clear? Yes. This process is applicable for exponential and sine cosine only. Correct? So if you have exponential function along with some cosine sine, so first you have to transform your exponential function on the left side of this expression. Okay? Then you should rewrite your d by d plus a. In this problem, a is equals to 3. So that's why I have replaced all d by d plus 3 in this expression. Then you open it, open your bracket, then simplify it. Now it is coming like this. Clear? Now you have only single function sine 4x. So already you know how to simplify it. Anyone? I'm giving you some time. Now solve it. So in between this time, I'm also solving. Just you send in chat box after getting the solution. Okay. Now e to the power 3x will be here. What is the formula for sine and cosine? Already you know. If you have a sine bx or cos bx, your formula is all d square should be replaced by minus b whole square. So in this problem, what is your d square? Your d square value will be minus 4 whole square, ultimately minus 16. Clear? Clear? Because here b is equals to 4. So that's why I'm writing minus d square is equals to minus 16. You should substitute. Now you check. Already you know on the right side you should check first. If it is coming lower denominator part is non-zero, then only you substitute in the direct calculation. Okay. So it is coming minus 16 plus 4. Ultimately it is coming minus 12. It is non-zero. So we can substitute here. It is coming minus 4 whole square plus 4 sine 4x. So ultimately e to the power 3x by 1 by 16 minus 16 plus, that is minus 12 sine 4x. So ultimately it is coming minus 1 by 12 e to the power 3x sine 4x. So this is our PI calculation for question number 1. Please check. Yes, I have received one solution. Very good. Okay, now I think it is clear to all of you. Shall I start? Shall I move to the next slide for second question? Okay. Anyone, any doubt? Yes, obviously for sine and cosine, only one formula is there. All d square should be replaced by minus b square. Here I have considered b means the coefficient of x. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to find PI for the second question. This is your second question, correct? Now PI, I'm talking about only PI, not CF. This is not the complete solution. So if you want to solve this higher order differential equation with constant coefficient, first you have to find CF. CF stands for, anyone? Yes, very good, complementary function. What is PI? Anyone? Particular integral. Very good. So now we are discussing only PI part, because PI part will change according to the function position wise. Okay, now try to understand the second question. 5d plus 6 e to the power x cos x. Now anyone, please tell me which part should I use, which function should I use at first, exponential or cosine? Yes, very good. First, you have to consider exponential function. So, what is your a here? Anyone? What is your a? So, here a is equals to 1. Very good. E to the power x is here. we want to compare with this, then we have a is equals to 1. Okay, very good. So first you have to work on, we should work on e to the power x, e to the power x by d plus 1 whole square minus 5 d plus 1 plus 6. Please check, is it correct or wrong? Yeah, it will be cos x. Is it clear to all of you? Because we should replace all d by d plus a. In this problem, d plus 1. So already I have substituted. So e to the power x is here 1 by d square plus 2d plus 1 minus 5d minus 5 plus 6 cosine x. Please check. Please check. So what is coming? So now it is coming e to the power x 1 by 7. Please check d square minus 3d plus 2. Please check. Please check. D square minus 2d minus 1, from here it is coming minus 6 plus 7 minus it is 2 and 2d minus, yes, absolutely correct. So now you have only one cosine function. Already you know how to solve it. Is it clear to all of you? Please write in chat box if all lines are clear to you. Everyone, please write in chat box. And those who are, please, this is my request to all of you, my student. So please share this video, okay, to all of your friend. Definitely you get some benefit from here. Okay. And also please do subscribe this channel so that you can get notification in time to time. Now, so e to the power x 1 by d square minus 2d 3d plus 2 cos x you have. Already you know how to solve it. Shall I move to the next slide? Okay. Now, so from here, what is your process? If you have only sine cosine, suppose you have cos bx or sine bx. So in that situation, only one formula you have, d square is equals to minus a square. Clear? This is the formula. So here you have a, what is your b? B is equals, sorry, it will be b minus b whole square. What is b here? B is equals to 1. So ultimately all d square should be replaced by minus 1 whole square. Ultimately minus 1. Substitute here. So e to the power x 1 by minus 1 minus 3d plus 2 cos x. So ultimately it is coming e to the power x 1 minus 3d cos x. Okay, so already you know for cosine and sine you have only one formula d square, but here it is only d and along with some linear factor you have. Then what you do from the previous video, already you know how to solve sine cosine type problem. Yes, anyone, can you, anyone please tell me what will be the next step? Anyone, please write in chat box. Yes, absolutely perfect. Rationalization. First, you rationalize this. So it will be to the power x 1 1 plus 3d by 1 minus 3d 1 plus 3d. Okay, very good. So ultimately it is coming e to the power x 1 plus 3d. Here it is coming 1 minus 9d square of cos x. Correct. So already you know d square, right now you have d square is equals to how much? D square is equals to minus 1. If I substitute, it is coming into the power x 1 minus plus 3d 1 plus d square equals to minus 1 minus minus plus 9 into cos x. I think it is clear to all of you. It is clear up to this level? I think it is clear. Why it is coming plus 9? Okay, so basically here I have replaced d square equals to minus 1. So minus minus plus 9 is coming. Okay, clear? Now, now please write down. Is it okay? Please check carefully. So here main formula for cosine d square equals to minus b square. Here I have considered cos b or sine b. So in this problem b is equals to 1. So I should replace d square equals to minus 1. Already I have replaced it. After simplification, what is coming? 1 by 1 minus 3d is a linear factor. Linear factor in terms of d. Okay, then what you do? You have to rationalize this to convert as a d square term form. So already have done this. So if how to do that is a very simple. Whatever the linear factor you have to write numerator and denominator same with opposite sign. So here I have 1 minus 3d. I have to write 1 plus 3d in numerator and 1 plus 3d in denominator. Okay, that is, this process is called rationalization. Then you can a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square formula. So now I have, now your d square is available. Now we can replace d square equals to minus 1. After that we have this. Okay, so now come to the next part. E to the power x is here. It is coming 1 by 10, 1 plus 3d cos of x. So it is coming e to the power x by 10, x by 10. So 1 into cos x, that is your cos x, plus 3 into d of cos x. What is the value of d? D stands for derivative. And 1 by d stands for integration. Already you know that. Correct? So derivative of cosine x. What will be the value? So e to the power x by 10 cos x. Derivative of cos x means minus sine x. It is coming minus 3 sine x. Okay. So this is our calculation process for exponential function as well as sine cosine function. Today I have discussed two types of problem. Okay, where all d are finished in first question, where there is no single d. Okay, and in second question I have considered another in second problem in such a whether where we can show you there may be a chance to see only d expression, only d linear factor form. So here I have discussed how to rearrange it and after that how to solve it. Clear? Now everyone, please write down your homework. As usual way, I always try to give some homework. Just you have to go through this video. Okay, then you try to solve this question every time. Every time you have to solve it. Okay, so now your one example is d square plus 2 y is equals to e to the power x cos of 2x. Okay, just try to consider this. Another question I can give. I have received one request from my student that in general I used to give one homework, but he wants something extra, means two problems. Okay, no problem, I can give d square minus 2d plus 4 y is equals to e to the power x cos x. Okay, so already you know, my simple advice, always try to solve your homework based on this video, and you have to send, already you know my number, WhatsApp number, you can send it to me, or you can in chat box you can write, and comments is your very your comment is very important for me. If any part is not clear, let me inform, okay, and I will guide you. Okay, thank you. And last, once again, please check your concept is clear or not. How to check it? Just try to consider any one question arbitrarily similar type. Just you have to solve in just without any help from your copy, without any help from your YouTube video or any other video. After that, you check your solution. If it is coming absolutely correct, then you can understand your concept is absolutely clear. So this is a simpler process. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.